Who is a Trinbagonian? It is me. It is you. It is your auntie. It is your nenen. Listen, we are a people that is full of life. We have vibrancy running through our veins. We like to laugh and lime and talk and have fun. Listen, we are in everything and everywhere. You know that saying that says you could find a Trini anywhere? It is true. We are saucy, we are spicy, we are full of flavor, just like our food. And when I think about our food, it is such an integral part of who we are that it makes me proud to say Trini to the bone. When I think about food, it invokes so many feelings and emotions that I just can't help but feel happy about it. It's all about the lime, the togetherness, the love, and just bringing people together. My aunt, she just has to say one thing in that family group. Olia, lime by me, and we all spin into action. Somebody bringing pie, somebody bringing peas, somebody bringing rice. At the end of the day, we all have a cook-up, a potluck, and we just enjoying each other's company. It doesn't take much to have a good time. Just good company and good food. For me, Trinidad and Tobago is one of the greatest melting pot of this world. Why? We have so many influences that play a big part in the food we eat and enjoy every day. Let's talk about a few of them. If we say in African, oh gosh, you have your kuku, your kalaloo, your okra and rice. I'm making myself hungry, you pilau. Let me go to the Indian aspect now. Listen, you have one word. Curry, roti, chicken roti, shrimp roti, duck roti, beef roti, sahina polori. And yes, you see Oli who does be up at the crack of dawn to go and line up for what? Doubles! That is a Trini. That is what food means to us. What food bringing you out your bed at 5:30 in the morning? Only doubles can do that. Let me talk about a little bit of the Spanish influence. For me, there is nothing like a Trini Christmas without pastels. And it is the only food that I tolerate raisins in. So we're going back in history a little bit and we're talking about the first people, the Caribs and the Arawaks. We have gotten so many different cooking techniques from them, but do you know we got from them a natural flavoring and food coloring? It is called ruku, also known as annatto. When we're talking about Chinese food, oh gosh, fill my belly. I love my Chinese food and I know it have people out there that love it too. When we're talking about the Portuguese, we get garlic pork, which is another favorite around Christmas time. I mean, the list goes on and on here. Arabic. Listen, you know how much times a good gyro saved me on a Friday night on the avenue earlier? Listen, this is who we are. The list goes on and on and on, but all of this makes up our culture. It makes up a part of who we are. Food is important, guys, and it is not just the food. It is more than that. Over the years, we have put our spin on certain dishes to make it our own. And I know there are two iconic drinks. All you already know what I'm talking about. You think you could guess? What it is? It is sorrel and Mobi. I have had fond experiences of them growing up as a child because my grandmother worked in the market. So I was accustomed to all the spice, all the Mobi bark and the aniseed and the clove and the nutmeg. And when you think about it, it was really innovative to take the bark of a tree and make a drink. And listen, when you're drinking the Mobi, it had to have a little you gotta get a little at the back of your throat. If you ain't getting that, the Mobi ain't strong. And sorrel, oh gosh, listen. Sorrel for me is just like, I could drink sorrel any time of the year, but it just tastes better around Christmas time. A lie? When it comes to food preparation, Trinis have their own version of muerpa. Onion, garlic, pimento, and you can throw in a little ginger too. Listen, that is the base of every Trini pot. A lie? I ain't lie. And you see Shadow Benny? Shadow Benny is big. What is chow without Shadow Benny? Look, let me make this thing official. You see Shadow Benny? It is the national herb of Trinidad and Tobago, and it is not up for debate. You pull this all together and you add a little Spanish thyme and some chive and hello, a hot pepper. You see this? This is what is giving food a little kick. Together, you have green seasoning. And for me, that is what makes our food taste the way it does. And the foreigners, they can't put a finger on it. They just know this food tasting good. We can't talk about food and not mention our hardworking farmers. They are the backbone behind every early morning Saturday market run. They do it with joy and they work long hours. And when you think about it, they plant a seed, they watch it grow, we get produce from that seed, and then we make a meal. To me, that is one of life's greatest miracles. As long as the earth remains, there will be night and day, cold and heat, planting and harvest. But it's not just the farmers, you know. Come on, let me be real. We plant in garden long time. Who picks side from the garden today and cook with it? Tell me who. I sure is you. And all you, who have a mango tree in the yard? Me. Who have a zabuka tree in the yard? Me. These are the things that we have grown up on. It's the fruits. Listen, you can't say mango and not say chow. Mango chow. Mango chow. Is the pawpaw, is the pomerac, is the governor plum. Oh gosh, already the list could go on and on. We didn't even touch about we little maracas bacon shack. When we go see the beach again, soon, we go hop a plane to Tobago and get we curry crab and dumpling and the blue food. And all that. What about the sauce? What about the pig foot sauce? What about the chicken foot sauce? You must have that at a lime. You see, it is never just the food alone. It is the people that make it. It is the memories that are forged. And it's the love that goes into it. This is who we are. We are Trinidad and Tobago.